She's fantastic. All right, I call this public hearing to order for the voluntary annexation of Hillcrest and Bruceville Road. If you'd like to speak for or against, the mic is yours.
And we might, if you want to, do you need to say anything or?
Very quickly, good evening. My name's Tim Oakes. I'm a partner at the law firm of Ice Miller in Indianapolis. Just want to say a few words about the process so you can put what's going on this evening in context. This is a meeting that was noticed, 20 days notice, required by statute. Anyone that wishes to speak for or against the annexation is welcome to do so. You listen, that's all you're required to do. You can consider, you can ask questions if you'd like. At the conclusion, the public hearing will be closed. Because this is a voluntary annexation, a lot of people call it a super voluntary annexation because 100% of the property owners have consented to this vacation, which is done pursuant to a petition that was filed with the city clerk's office. We have this public hearing. Once this public hearing is done, a annexation ordinance can be passed. We have to wait a minimum of 14 days. So after that, it can be placed on any regularly scheduled council agenda. At that time, you will then be requested to adopt what's called a definitive resolution stating we want to annex this, adopting a fiscal plan, and then finally adopting the annexation ordinance itself that says we annex this property. There's a couple catches here. First of all, ordinarily an annexation of this type could become effective 30 days, as soon as 30 days after you adopt the annexation ordinance. In this particular case, that is not going to be possible. That is because the territory being annexed, all or part of it, is within a fire protection district. By state statute, property that is annexed by a municipality that is all or a part of which is in a fire protection district cannot be annexed as quickly. There's two different options here. The option that applies states that the annexation will not be effective until the second January 1st that occurs after the adoption of the annexation ordinance. That's what the statute says. What that means is if the annexation ordinance is adopted during the calendar year 2021, which if you vote, I anticipate it will be if you vote favorably. Despite anything you might put in the annexation ordinance, its effective date will be January 1, 2023. I would like to speed that up for you. I can't. I just interpret the law. I don't make it. So we're stuck with it. So that is the little quirk here. Other than that, it is a rather straightforward process, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that anybody that any member of the council might have. So thank you for your time.
Questions? See if anybody in the public wants to say.
Thank you.
So would anyone now like to speak for or against? Seeing none, close the public hearing.
Council meeting will start at 6.
We're back on schedule.
Yes.
So, you've got it.
You met Ed? Ed, this is Tim Oakes.